बसले का बरोबर. So good evening to all of you again. We will continue to the remaining part of the electrochemistry, that is the salt beach from your yesterday's Daniel cell. At the first, over the figure, they will make the explanation. What is the salt beach? We have the figure first. Okay, at the last time we were discussing about the Daniel cell. From the Daniel cell we just connected the two electrodes, two half cells, with the help of the salt beach. Now what is that salt beach? What are its main functions? If you think about the salt beach, it consists of inverted U-shaped glass tube containing saturated KCl along with the agar-agar gel, and whose both the ends enclosed with the help of the glass or cotton wool plug. The same assembly we call as a salt beach. ही एक अशी ट्यूब आहे, इन्व्हर्टेड यू शेप्ड ट्यूब आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण सॅच्युरेटेड केसीएल अँड आगार आगार जे वापरतो, which is to be just filled in this tube and whose both the ends are closed with the help of the glass or cotton wool plug. The assembly which is generally formed known as the salt beach. So we can define here that the salt beach is the inverted U-shaped glass tube containing saturated KCl with agar-agar gel, whose both the ends are enclosed with the help of the glass or the cotton wool plug. The assembly is called as the salt beach. Definition. So in this case, we have to deal with the functions of the salt beach. याचे functions काय असतात? In this particular case, at the first, it connects the two half cells. It connects the two half cells. It is the main function of the salt beach. It connects the two half cells. After that one, it makes electric contact between the two half cells. It makes electric contact between the two half cells. Then it generally shows here avoids mixing of two solutions. Those solutions mixing हे होऊ देत नाही. It avoids the mixing of these two solutions. Along the same, if we think about this one, it generally maintains electrical neutrality. It maintains electrical neutrality. So we have to explain this point under the head Daniel cell. I will explain that particular thing under the Daniel cell. It maintains electrical neutrality by maintaining equal number of ions in both the arms. It is the main function. After that one, we have to introduce here the new concept, that is the concept of the liquid junction potential. हे काय असतं? What is the meaning of the liquid junction potential? At the first, what is the function of the salt beach? This salt beach minimizes the or reduces the liquid junction potential. Liquid junction potential हे minimize करतं, reduce करतं. It is the main function of the salt beach. आता liquid junction potential काय असतं हे? It is the potential particularly developed at the junction of the liquid due to the unequal rate of the migration of the cations and anions towards that cell, which generally called liquid junction potential. So remember in short that liquid junction potential is the potential which is developed at the junction of the liquid due to the unequal rates of the cations and anions towards the electrolytic surface, which generally called as a liquid junction potential. and this liquid junction potential is minimized with the help of the salt beach. So have these particular points about the salt beach. Once again, at the first, what is the salt beach? It is the inverted U-shaped glass tube containing saturated KCl with the agar-agar gel whose both the ends are closed with the help of glass or cotton wool plug. First one. In this case, what are the functions? Why the KCl is mainly used? Here in this case, potassium chloride is mainly used in making salt beach due to the high value of the ionic mobility. If you think about the potassium chloride, it is having high value of the ionic mobility. It is having high value of the Hittorfs number, transport number. Due to that reason, potassium chloride is mainly used in making the salt beach. Along the same, as an accidental view, potassium chloride and the chloride ions, these are isoelectronic in nature. It is one of the reason why to use here KCl in making salt beach. Okay. What is the agar-agar gel? Agar-agar gel is the somewhat starch-like powder which is generally obtained from the plants which occurs near to the seasides, such as the seaweeds are there. A rhodophyce is there. From that particular agar-agar gel is already obtained. Okay. About this, consider to the functions. Functions घेतले असतील. At the first, it connects the two half cells. Then it generally makes here electric contact between the two half cells. It avoids the mixing of the two solutions. Along the same, it maintains electrical neutrality by maintaining equal number of the ions in both the arms. Along the same, it reduces the liquid junction potential. So these particular applications uses we have to remember here about the salt beach. So with this particular point, we have to come across to the next parameter, that is the rules for sign convention of the one of the voltaic cell or the galvanic cell. Okay. So representation of the cell or rules to assign cell representation or rules for the cell representation, that is voltaic cell. Okay. So we have to come across to the rules to assign or rules for the cell representation, that is voltaic cell. Our sign conventions. Rules are, we can call it as somewhat sign conventions. Sign conventions for the cell representation. Now how to represent here the voltaic cell? Voltaic cell आपण कसा represent करतो? What are the somewhat rules? What are the precautions which you have to take while representing the cell? Okay. In this case, it is familiar here that voltaic cell consists of two half cells. First one is the anodic half cell. Second one is the cathodic half cell. As per our cell conventions, particularly half cell always represented by any metal along with its own ion in direct contact. We can report like this. Along the same cell can be represented as a cation metal ion solution along with the metal is there. So half cell we generally represent as a metal and its own ion in direct contact, or ion and its metal in direct contact. It is somewhat half cell. Okay. As per our convenience, particularly oscillation half cell generally represented to the extreme left hand side. Extreme left hand side we represent here the somewhat oscillation half cell. First one. After that one, a reduction half cell we represent it is to the extreme right hand side, just like this. Extreme right hand side ला आपण तो लिहित असतो. Second one. After that one, third one is very simple one. The direct contact single vertical line shows direct contact between a metal and its own ion. It is single vertical line. Then double vertical line indicates somewhat salt bridge, or we can call it as a porous partition. Okay. In some of the cases, especially in case of the gas electrode, we introduce here the inert metal like platinum into that particular gas in presence of the corresponding ion is there. So these are the somewhat rules. In some of the cases, we represent here the gas electrode. Here, inert metal platinum is introduced in that particular gas, which is in contact with its own ion solution. So by that way, we generally represent here the somewhat solution, or represent here voltaic cell. In this particular case, whatever the terms related to the concentration, related to the gases, generally represented to the middle portion. So in this case, we have to represent here the cell by using here the following sign conventions. All these sign conventions, once again, will repeat here the same thing. पुन्हा मी repeat करतो, थोडं लक्ष द्या. आता काय असतं, in this case, at the first, voltaic cell consists of two half cells. First one is the oxidation half cell, and second one is the reduction half cell. Now how that cells are represented? In this case, the cell in general, special oxidation half cell represented by metal and its own ion in direct contact, that is the somewhat half cell. It is called oxidation half cell. If it is the reduction half cell, metal cation first and then the metal by the single vertical line. What is single vertical line indicates? Single vertical line indicates a direct contact between the metal and its own ion solution. Remember this one. Okay. So in this case, what is the rule here? For representation of this cell, oxidation half cell represented to the extreme left hand side, while reduction half cell represented written to the extreme right hand side. Second thing, these two half cells separated with the help of the salt bridge, generally indicated by somewhat double vertical line. It is called as the salt bridge. Then the concentration term, solution term, or the gaseous state terms interpreted at the middle portion along the same. In case of the gas electrodes, we generally insert inert metal platinum in that particular gas which is in contact with the corresponding ion. In that sense, we represent here the gas electrode also. By following that one, we can represent here the cell, and from the cell representation, we can write down here the given specific reactions. Okay. Now here, how to represent the cell? We'll have the proper reaction from that particular. We'll have the elucidation for the cell representation. So by remembering these ideas from the given cell reaction, we can represent the cell very easily. Okay. Now we'll have the example. I will write here the example. We have to clear that one. How the cell is to be represented by knowing here the proper reaction. Suppose here we'll have the reaction. Here zinc cadmium plus 2, it produces zinc plus 2 along with the cadmium. It is now cell reaction is given. Now from this particular, we have to represent here the cell first. So first job is to represent, to know which is the anode, which is the cathode. Okay. In this particular case, remember here, zinc generally shows here oxidation. Therefore, in this case, anodic half cell, we represent it as a Zn oblique Zn plus 2 is there. First one. How did it decided? It is decided by knowing the fact that zinc undergoes oxidation. It means that zinc is anode. It is called oxidation half cell. Represented like this. First one. Then what is the cathode? Here observe the other reaction. Cadmium plus 2 is there, showing cadmium. It is showing process of reduction, and therefore this is the reduction electrode represented in this fashion. Cd plus 2 cadmium is there. It is reduction electrode. Now here in this particular case, cathode is known to us, anode is known to us. दोन्ही आपल्याला माहिती. As per our sign conventions, how to represent the cell? पहा, at the anode, left hand side ला लिहितो आपण zinc plus 2 is there. left hand side portion. Then particularly cathode, cadmium plus 2, cadmium is there, leader. Then these two half cells represented, separated by double vertical line. Then middle portions, middle terms, represented here the concentration as a C1, concentration as a C2, Lilapan. After that one, to the anode, we represent here the negative charge. To the cathode, we represent here the positive charge. Now, how the electron transfer? Electron transfer occurs from anode to the cathode in this fashion. It generally shifts here to this one. If the cell is reversible, it generally follows here the trend in this fashion. So in this fashion, in this particular way, what represent here the cell just like this. So it is your first clue, first idea how to represent the cell from the given cell reaction. जर सेल रिॲक्शन दिली असेल तुम्हाला तर मग सेल रिप्रेझेंट कसा करायचा. इट इज व्हेरी इजियर जॉब. अगोदर ॲनोड शोधा, नंतर कॅथोड शोधा. ॲज पर आवर साइन कन्व्हेन्शन पर्टिक्युलरली कॅथोड जो आहे तो उजवीकडे लिहा, ॲनोड आहे तो डावीकडे लिहा. रिप्रेझेंट ऑक्सिडेशन इलेक्ट्रोड टू द लेफ्ट हँड साइड, रिडक्शन इलेक्ट्रोड टू द राइट hand side. Separate these electrodes by the double vertical line. Represent concentration terms to the middle portion like this. Along the same, assign the charges to that particular electrodes, negative and positive like this. Okay. Now, just to remember here all these things, just I will give you here one clue so that how to represent the cell you can know very easily. You never forget that one. You have to remember this clear trick only. So in this particular case, remember here the term simply loan. फक्त हा लोन शब्द लक्षात ठेवायचा. हा जो शब्द लक्षात ठेवला आपण, if you remember this word properly, you can easily know here how to represent the cell without any mistake. Now how this loan is? Loan is the left hand side electrode. It is always known as the oxidation half cell. It is always anode. Along the same, it is always having here the negative sign. Left hand side electrode, which is known as oxidation half cell, which is known as the anode, assigned as by the negative sign. If we proper locate this loan word, paha, left hand side electrode, it is oxidation half cell, it is represented by the negative sign. Along the same, it is known as the anode. If you know this anode, definitely you can judge about the cathodic half cell. So remember this term loan, you can easily judge here how the cell is to be represented and what is the exact criteria to represent the cell. Okay, it is about the first one. First criteria, just from the cell reaction, what represent here the cell. Second thing is that from the given cell, you have to represent cell reactions. For our convenience, I will write here the cell here, check a cell with a lithomy reaction, particularly chromium plus 3 is there. Here, double vertical line. Zinc, it is a cell now. Here it is assigned as a negative, it is assigned as a positive. Here cell घेतला मी तर. This cell is given. Now what's our job? Our job is just to write the cell representation, cell reactions, and we have to follow net cell reaction for this one. So माझी net cell reaction लिहायची आणि you have to represent here the cell like this. दाखवला. आता एक पाहायचं की in this particular case, it is somewhat gas having concentration C1, having concentration C2 is there. Now how to represent here how to write here the chemical reactions? Exactly reverse job. तुम्हाला एखादी रिॲक्शन दिली, एखादा सेल दिला, हा सेल येऊन तुम्हाला रिॲक्शन लिहायचे आहेत. मग रिॲक्शन लिहायचे कशा? हाऊ टू रिमेंबर हिअर दिस रिॲक्शन्स. काय करायचं? याच्याला ॲनोड काय थोडं का ॲज पर आवर कन्व्हिनियन्स, ॲज पर आवर साइन रिप्रेझेंटेशन, सेल रिप्रेझेंटेशन. इन दिस केस ॲनोड इज द hydrogen electrode. Anode is the hydrogen electrode represented like this. What is the cathode? Right hand side electrode. In this particular case, cathode is a somewhat silver electrode represented like this. Cathode is there. Now we have to follow here the chemical reactions. In this particular case, we have the reaction like this. At the anode reaction paha here. Two H plus ions, first one. It is generally showing here the process of oxidation. Along the same, we have the cathodic reaction, silver plus ion plus one electron, generally showing here the silver. It is showing here the process of reduction. Now in this particular case, for our convenience, whatever during this change, electron change should be equal one. Electron number जो आहे तो सेम असला पाहिजे. जितके इलेक्ट्रॉन दिले तितकेच घेतले पाहिजेत. There should be proper number of electrons. Then and then only that reaction is already balanced. So for that, for our convenience, we have the coefficient 2 here. We will check here 2 along the same 2 is there. If we follow this reaction, we can write like this: H2 plus 2Ag plus ion, it produces 2H plus along with the 2Ag is there, like this. So in this fashion, we have to follow this reaction. Electron lost, electron gain, result is nullified. So remember that from the given cell representation, from the given or assigned Voltaic cell, we can represent the chemical reaction which is occurring during that particular cell. It is already followed in this fashion. We have to follow here only 2 steps. First one is the just to locate which is the anode, just which is the cathode. Write down the anodic reaction which is called oxidation. Write down cathodic reaction which is called the reduction. And from that particular, represent here the net cell reaction. If electron number is not balancing at that time, try to balance that electrons and try to follow that particular net cell reaction. So it is the somewhat second view. Just by knowing the Voltaic cell representation, just by knowing cell formula, we can easily write here the cell reactions for the given cell. So it is one of the important unit which you have to remember in a proper way. Okay. It is just about the somewhat sign conventions for cell representation. After that one, we have to introduce here the very next and important unit